you really want to start sending money or receive money in your WeChat wallet and fully activate and verify your WeChat Pay, consider to watch the video from beginning to the end and see how to activate your WeChat Pay. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on Me. The next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to click on Wallet. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right there and click on ID Info. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Verify Now. Enter your payment password. So if you have not created a payment password, you'll be asked to set up a payment password. Once you set up your payment password, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on ID Type. Then right here, I'm going to choose Passport. Make sure you are with your passport. So select Passport and click on OK. It's going to take you right here. Here, you need to enter the detail as you have everything on your passport. It's ranging from name, gender, passport number, country, ID effective date, expiring date, etc. I'm going to fill them one after the other. So I will start from the name right here. As you have the name on your passport, everything in capital letter. Having entered the name on your passport, select gender. So I'm going to select male and I will simply hit on OK. Then here, enter your passport number. So I'm going to simply enter my passport number. Having entered your passport number, click on here to select your country. So right here, you can scroll down and make sure you check on your country right here. So the more you scroll down, the more different countries is going to load up. So I'm going to simply select my country right here, which is Nigeria. So I'm going to simply select Nigeria right here. Whichever country you are coming from, make sure you select the country on your passport. Then right here, move to ID effective date. Click on the effective date. It simply means that the issuance date of the passport. Then having set your effective date, hit on OK. Next, move to expiration date. So click on here. Then when your passport is going to expire, and make sure the date is corresponded with what you have on your passport. Then once you select it, once you set it, click on OK right here. Then move to the address section right here. Enter your detailed address. As you have it on a passport, simply click on Enter Address right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Click on here to select your region. Then right here, by default, you have your country right here. However, you can scroll down right here and also click on foreign region right here. So you click on foreign region, you see all other country right here where you can simply select. So the more you scroll down, the more you see your country right here. So I'm going to simply select my country, which is Nigeria right here. Simply select on that. Having selected your country, click on here to enter your detailed address. So I'm going to simply enter my address right here. Having entered your address, hit on OK. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here, click on occupation. Then here, you have to choose your occupation right here. If you are student, unemployed, or others. So I'm going to leave it in order. Then I'll simply click on OK. The next thing we want to do here is to click on next. So the next thing we want to do here is to click on, then the next thing we want to do is to click on next right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on select your area right here, your area code. So right here, you have to choose your country. So scroll down and make sure you choose your country code right here. Here's my country, which is Nigeria. Select Nigerian if you are from Nigeria. Then next thing you want to do is to enter your phone number right here. So I'm going to simply enter the phone number. So you have to omit the first digit of your phone number. Then under the phone number, under the phone verification right here, first thing for make sure you click on select area code right here. Then here you have to make sure you look for your country. So I will scroll down right here and make sure I look for Nigerian. Then select my Nigerian right here. The next thing you need to do is to enter your mobile number. That is your WeChat mobile number. So enter it right here. Then having entered the mobile number, click on get code. Once you receive the code, enter the code right here. Seven 8350. Then click on verify. Then you can see passport photo to be uploaded. Next thing you need to do, so here, upload passport photo. You must upload a passport of your you must upload a photo of your passport for further identity verification. You can upload the photo via the official account message. Next thing you need to do right here is to click on upload. So right here, upload passport photo of, so your name is going to be Eden. Please take photo of the original ID and make sure all edges of the ID are completely shown. All information is clearly visible and the lighting is even. Okay. Next thing you can click on few example right here. So this is how the passport should look like when you are to snap it. You can see it right here. Okay. Then click on got it. Next thing you need to do here is to simply click on upload photo of passport info page. Next thing you need to do is to click on upload photo of passport info page. Then I'm going to click on camera right here to upload the passport live. Then position your camera and then snap the picture. Click on done. ID photo uploaded. Please complete face verification. Click on next. Face verification. Verify your face to complete this action. Please ensure that this name is operating the device. Click on verify. Then click on accept. Verify. Face verification complete. Your ID information is under review. So what you need to do is to simply click on done right here. So I'm going to simply click on done. Then you can simply go back and exit from here and then go back to your WeChat. Then you have a surface of WeChat Pay notification right here. Click on that. Passport photo to be uploaded according to, so these are just information about your ID. Then here, ID photos are being reviewed. Once they approve it, you are going to see the status message. So